SummerBridge will be using a Blackboard class for attendance. The class is titled SummerBridge 2018 Attendance. Note that this course is turned off and not visible to students. Welcome, SummerBridge staff. This class is strictly for recording attendance. You can access the attendance sheet for your academy in the Course Management section through Grade Center. Go down to Grade Center and select your academy. You will see student names on the left and dates in the columns to the right. To take attendance, select the correct date and enter an A for absent or T for tardy. Students that are present are left blank. If you push your Enter key on your keyboard instead of clicking away, you will avoid this extra dialog box. Enter your attendance letter and hit Enter on the keyboard. After an attendance mark has been entered, you can add a quick comment. Select the down arrow next to the attendance mark and select Quick Comment. Here you can add just a little information as to why that particular student was absent or tardy. Make sure to submit at the bottom.